Club. I want to thank all the devoted racers and all the club members for coming out, man. We had an absolutely great year. It was a fabulous year. I'm hoping everybody comes back next year. I'm hoping we get even bigger and better next year. Today we want to do the award ceremonies. All right. We're going to start with all the dedicated members in the club. We're going to start with, for 2014 dedicated member, Big Vern. Big
nice.
Vern, baby. Thanks, man, for your support.
All right.
Back, man.
Good, man. Good.
Big Vern.
Nice.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Nice.
All right. Al. Oh, by the way, Big Vern from Steam Staten Island. Next up, we got Arnold and Kiki from Team 105. Arnold and Kiki. Appreciate the support, the dedication, the diehard racers right here, guys. Thanks for everything, man. Hope to see you guys next year. You want to take a picture with that? Father and son team?
We'll take it after the video.
All right. Next one. We got Team Puerto Rico, Gas and Go Lou. Hey that, Lou.
Team Puerto Rico.
Freaking Rican.
Team freaking Rican.
Oh,
run out of film, dude.
oh man.
Shaking over there.
He take like the burn on that. He take it long for the video.
Lou, thanks for everything, man. Thanks for your support. Team,
Let me see that. Let me see that.
Puerto Rico.
All right.
Is it actually on?
Now we got Team Staten Island. Never Die Wayne. Come and get it, baby.
Hey, where you at? Listen, I said it last year. I'm coming back, and I'm gonna kill y'all next year.
Good racing, dude.
As long as you keep saying
Good
it.
racing.
As long as you keep saying it every year.
All right.
That's what racing is about.
I got one special thing I want to present to a special person in the club. This guy is truly a dedicated racer. He's a motivator. He likes to help people. And I appreciate his support, and I appreciate him coming out. Unfortunately, I thought this thing was a lot bigger than it is. But this goes to King Dale. King Dale, where you at, Dale? King Dale. Dale, I'm sorry. I thought it was bigger than it is, man. I'm sorry.
Let me see that thing.
I thought that thing was a lot bigger than it was, man.
Ain't got no more
Thank you,
room
gentlemen.
for
Thank you
that
very much. You know,
So that's one of the most devoted, dedicated guys right there, man. He stuck through when everything was looking kind of shaky for us, man. Okay, now for the top 3 presentations. We got in 3rd place, we got Triggerman, Team Allborough. Hey, wait a minute.
That's you.
That's me. All right, yeah, baby. 3rd place. Yeah.
Give yourself a round of applause. Give yourself an applause. You know what I mean? Give yourself.
Nice.
Did you see that last night?
Hell no. She ain't open the boxes till today.
Right.
Okay.
Oh, that's funny.
Now we got 2nd place. 2nd place goes to Team 105, Rennie. Driver Rennie.
Oh.
2nd place, baby.
Jumping going on.
Good racing.
I tried for number 1, man, but it can't be 1-1.
Two is good.
Can't be with 1-1
That's
and
it.
next year.
All right.
Nice.
Now for the main presentation.
Uh-oh.
The grand finale. All
Uh-oh.
right. Drum roll, please. 1st place. Damn, this trophy damn near as tall as I am. Goes to Team Farmingdale.
Yeah.
Marv, driver Marv.
Oh, shit.
In the points race.
Woo! Yeah. Kiss the wallet. Kiss it. My car was here.
Don't use tongue.
Well, I must say it's been a long season. A
Uh-huh.
lot, man. Rennie,
Mhm.
give me a good run for my money.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Sure did. Last day.
See this right here? It's a good thing.
That's a
Brooklyn
good
large
trophy.
scale, Nitrostreets all day. Thank you guys.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Never fails.
Nice.
Yo, I do want to do a special shout out to Nitrostreets.com for supporting us, videotaping our races, giving us a place to have open forum and giving us a lot of exposure. Thank you to Nitrostreets.com. Thank you. Check us out, Nitrostreets.com.
Thank you.
Right.
Because of him, we got the whip up on another state.
Yeah, oh, that's true. Anybody that think they want some, we here. We'll even come to you.
Ooh.
You think you want some, we'll come to you. Anybody. Anybody.
We're not driving to California.
We'll drive to California. We'll load up and drive to California, baby.
Any gas car. We ain't fucking with
Any
electric.
gas car. We ain't mess with no electric.
Please specify that.
Yeah.
Fifth scale gas.
State troopers.
Don't come with no plug and play car. We're not racing children's toys.
No radio shot. All right, fellas, we had a great season.
No radio shot.
I'm hoping next year it's even bigger and better. We got a lot of cars out here, man, and there's a lot of cars that aren't even here today.
Yeah.
There's at least 10 more cars that aren't here today. I'm hoping that they'll come back next year. Anybody wants to join, we're available. We'll make a class. If you got enough drivers and enough cars, we'll even make a class for you if you need one.
Nice.
That's 5th scale short wheelbase, 5th scale long wheelbase. No electric cars. We don't do electric over here.
That shit sounds like nothing. I'm looking around.
Yeah, I look.
Nice.
Let me put this.
But it's number 1 and number 2.
Nice.
I'm gonna crack that ass next year. You better go good.
Nice. All right.